cauliflower bolognese. Okay, so I'm just mincing some rosemary leaves. I stripped the leaves off of 2 stalks of rosemary, and I'm just mincing them as fine as I can. And I've got some butter sizzling in the pan. Not quite burning, but close. And I've got some finely diced red onions, along with some garlic, sliced garlic, or you can use minced garlic. And then all of this delicious rosemary and red chili flakes.
Of course.
Our favorite thing in the world. And then I'm gonna give this a stir, crank up the heat a little bit. Oh, what a great start to this recipe. And then while this starts to cook, I'm gonna add the pasta to the water so that when the sauce is ready, the pasta will be ready too. And I love it when a plan comes together like that. So linguine, but you can absolutely do any pasta. Okay, ooh, this is looking good. So I'm gonna move forward with the sauce, add a little salt and pepper, and then tomato paste, so otherwise known as toothpaste in these tubes. Quite a good amount. And then I'll stir it just to kind of start frying the tomato paste. Okay, the tomato paste is frying away, so I'm gonna add the cauliflower. And look at this, Alex. This is riced cauliflower, which is sold in the produce section. All it is just fresh cauliflower, pureed in a food processor, or just totally pulverized in a food processor. You could do it yourself. Okay, come in and check it out, Alex. This is really coming together. I'm gonna grab some pasta water from the pot, because this needs a little bit of liquid, and I'll add a couple ladles full. And then that's gonna cook the cauliflower and also steam it. So I'm gonna keep stirring this sauce until the cauliflower is tender and the flavors have developed. It's gonna take about 6 to 7 minutes. All right, Alex, take a look at this bolognese so far.
Wow, it actually looks like bolognese.
It actually kind of looks like meat sauce, doesn't it? Mauricio is skeptical.
I'm like, I don't know.
I'm here to win you over, Mauricio, and convince you. All right, so Alex, you want to come in and watch the pasta go in? There we go. Baby. All right, now it's not over yet. Before I even stir it, I'm gonna add a lot of pecorino romano cheese, a couple of tablespoons of butter, which any self-respecting bolognese maker would add at this stage, and a little bit of cream. Adding milk or cream to bolognese is pretty standard, so just a little bit. And I'm gonna add a little more red pepper flake, just for fun. And then, here we go. Come check it out. I turned off the heat underneath because I think it has done its trick, but look at this. It looks like meat sauce. So I'll bring it over here and we'll finish it with a little more cheese, please. And of course, beautiful basset. Wow, cauliflower bolognese, guys.
Revolutionary.
In case your curiosity is getting the better of you, I'm gonna take a bite, and you can tell from the look on my face if it's a win or not. Ready, set?
Come on.
Wow, it's a win. It's a win. Is it a win?
That is a win.